what we have is a score of a set score of 1.2. Everybody happy with a set score of 1.2? This set score, you're definitely better than 50% of the population, aren't you? So we're going to try and find out the area of the shaded region. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our maths tables, and we're going to look for Z 1.2. Now, does everybody see 1 here? Now, I'm going to keep going down until I get 1.2. Everybody see it here? See what I highlighted there? 0.8849. Is that okay with you guys? 0.8849. Okay. Now, the answer to the first one is 0.8849. That's handy, isn't it? Now, the next one. See a set score of 1, yeah? We need what's better than 1. Now, if you look up your tables, you can clearly see that it's shading in what's below your set score. See the way it's shading in what's below it? So look for 1.0. Where's 1.0? Ever see it here? 0.8413. So then what you do is you go, no bother, that's 0.8413. So what does that make this region here? Yeah. 1 take away 0.8413. What do we get? 0.1587. Is that okay? Now, in your solutions, you'll see it written as this. You'll see it as 1 take away the probability of Z less than or equal to 1. And then they'll go 1 take away 0.8413. I personally just like the diagrams. I think they're quite easy. Now, what we'll do next is I'll give out. Does everybody see minus 1.92? Now, the problem is with minus 1.92 is there's no negative numbers. There's only positive numbers. Would you agree with that? Great. So here's what I'm going to tell you now. It's symmetrical. The amount of people below minus 1.92 is actually equal to the amount of people above 1.92. So I'll show you what I mean by that now. You see what I did there? So see this region here that I'm shading in? See that black region? I'm claiming that that black region is the same as that blue region. And this is a score of 1.92. So if I can find how much is above 1.92, I'm in business. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight this here. Okay. And I'm going to find out what that is. Now, if you look at the solutions might have it written something like this. The solutions will go, so what is it? They'll have it like this. I never write like this either. They go, probability of Z being less than 1.92 is exactly the same as the probability of Z being bigger than 1.92, which in turn is equal to 1 take away the probability of Z being less than 1.92. See this yellow region here? That's everything below 1.92. Agreed? So we go to our copy, and where do we see 1.92? 1.9, 1.91, 1.92. So what is it? So I'll make it a bit larger, but it's 0.929726, yeah? So it's going to be 1 take away 0.9276. And what's your answer? Anybody know? What? 9726. I got it mixed up, did I? Anyone else, you take it away? .074. That? Yeah. Shh. Okay. Glad you look at it. I'll do the next one really quickly as well. Okay. And then we'll get you guys on some of it. Now, what I'm thinking is, does everybody see region A and region B? Are they the same size, yeah or nay? Symmetrical, isn't it? Now, What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to concentrate on one of them. I'm going to concentrate on B. How do I get the answer for B? Does anybody know? How do you get the answer for B? See, B is this little yellow region now. Anybody know how to get that answer? 1, take away the probability of Z being smaller than 1.8. Is that okay? Or smaller than equal to 1.8. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look for 1.8 and we're going to take it away. So let's go to our thing. Where's 1.8? Everybody see it there? 0.9641. And then what we do is we go 1 take away 0.9641. And what do we say the answer for that is? 359. 0.0359, yeah? Double that answer and take it away from what? Double that answer and take it away from 1. And you'll get your middle section. So it's going to be 1 take away 2 times 0.0359. And what you get? 0.9282. Okay. You guys are going to do whatever question 2 has. We're going to look for 0.89. 0.89 is within a standard deviation of the mean. So what we're thinking is 0.89, right? So there's 0.8. And then we'll just go all the way across. And it'll be the last one. 0.89. Who got 0.8133? Is that it? Okay. Okay. That's 81%. The other one's bigger because you're 2 standard deviations above the mean. So we go again and we look for 2.04. Okay, I go down. Go left. 2.04 is located here. Who got 0.9793? Bill. Have you ever used these tables before? All right, good. Now, that's 134. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking for this black region. So the black region is technically 1 take away the green region. And the green region is the probability of Z being smaller than 1.25. So I go to my tables and I look up the probability of it being smaller than 1.25. And there it is there. 0.8944. So 1 take away 0.8944. And what do we get as the answer? Who got 1056? Yeah. Do the same thing for the next one. A set score of 0.75. We're going to take away the green region from 1. 1 take away whatever is below 0.75. Once again, we go to tables. And 0.7, 0.71, 0.72, 0.73, 0.74. Who got 7.734? Okay. And what's your answer then? Who got 0.2266? Okay. Being below is a minus set score means you're a minus 2.13 means you're below the average. Means you're down here. And we're looking to get a score below this. But as we well know, our tables don't do negative numbers. They only do positive numbers. So what I did was I used symmetry to say that it's actually the same thing as being bigger than 2.13. So if I find out what the green region is from my tables, I can just do 1 take away the green region. Now the green region is smaller than 2.13. So I go to my tables and I go, all right, give me 2.13, please. 2.10, 11, 12, 13. Who got 0.9834? Okay, and then you just take it away, and what you get here? 0.0166. You done? What we said is that you're looking for the in-between region. This region here would happen to be the green region, okay? So in order to get this, what we're going to do is we're going to try and find out what the blue region is. Now, the blue region is 1 take away the entire yellow region. and the entire yellow region is below 1.5. So I go to my tables and I go, okay, 1.5. Everybody happy with 0.9332? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1 take away 0.9332. And what do I get when I have that answer? What is it? Okay, so we're all agreed that it's 0.0668. 0.0668. Now, this blue region happens twice. The blue region here and here, isn't it? Well, it's now green, but you get the gist. Okay, I have to do it twice. So what do I need to do with my answer? Multiply it by 2 and take it away from 1. Or you can simply do 1 take away 2 times answer in your calculator, which is 1 take away 2 times 0.0668. So I'm not re-entering. I'm just going to go 1 minus 2 times answer. Who got an answer of 0.8664? We all good? Okay, let's make this harder again. Okay, here we go. So lads, the way I'm thinking about doing this one is you could find out the area of A and then find out the area of B individually and then take the two of them away from 1. How many people did it that way? Okay, that will work. However, there's a slightly shorter way I'm going to tell you about now. Okay, first thing I'm going to get is all of the blue region. Everybody see that? I'm going to get everything underneath 2.3. Everything underneath 2.3 is 0.9893. So it's going to be that blue region, which I have on the board, is 0.9893. Now that I know what that region is, what I'm going to concentrate my effort on next is see this little region here. I want to take that away from it. So I'm going to take that away from the answer I just got. Okay. Now my job is to find out what that region is. That region is anything below minus 1.8, which means it's the same as anything above 1.8. Does that make sense? Therefore, I need to find the value below 1.8, which is, where is 1.8? 0.9641. Now this is 0.9641. Sorry, 9641. 1 take away that. And we get an answer of 0.0359. So this little region in here is 0.0359. And that's what I was going to put in here. I was going to take away 0.9893, take away 0.0359. And what you get when that happens? Is that what you got already before me? Who got that answer before me? Hands up. Just see where we're all at. Oh. That? Yeah, I just messed it up as well. That one? Okay. Okay. Now, okay. First thing I'm going to do, and you guys can call this out for me. What is the yellow region? Everything below 1.4. What you get? Who got 0.9192? Okay. So is everybody happy that that yellow region is 0.9192? Okay. My black region that I'm looking for is smaller than that, isn't it? It's smaller than that because I have to take away this green/blue region here, don't I? And that green/blue region is the same thing as being bigger than 0.83. It's the same thing as this region here. So I go to my calculator and I try and find out what the blue region here is. It's 1 take away a Z score of 0.83. So where's 0.83? And who got this here? 0.7967. Okay. Now, 1 take away 0.7967. And what do we get? What is it? Who got 2033? Shh. So, shh. That's that part there. Take them away from each other, and what do we get? 7, 1, 5, 9. Okay. Oh.